Hi kids,
Wow!
this is so nice. Let's open it. One, two, three, four. This is a strawberry. Strawberry is a fruit. It is eraser. Red color, green color. You can also separate them. Do you like to eat strawberry, kids?
No.
Our second thing is sweet corn. It is also eraser. Let's separate. Green color, yellow color.
No.
This is lemon. Yellow color, green color.
No.
This is peanut. White color. Join them again. Keep it aside. Do you like them, kids?
Hiya!
Today we will learn alphabet. Wow, a bunny. So cute. It is eraser. Let's open it. This is so cute. White color, pink color, orange color. Let's separate it. Hands, legs, ears. Let's join them again.
No. Hiya!
Now keep it aside. Kids. Oh wow, an owl. This is eraser also. Yellow color, white color, yellow color, yellow color. This is so cute. You can also separate the parts.
No.
Kids,
Wow! Wow!
let's open it. Our first one is a glass. Green color, black color. You can also separate them. You know that they are erasers? Our second one is a mirror. Green color, pink color.
Hiya!
Let's join them again. Now keep them aside.
No.
Oh wow, color pens. Yellow color, brown color, blue color, orange color, pink color, sky blue color, green color, red color, and the last one is purple color. Today we will learn alphabets. Let's start. Green. J. J for joker. J for also jackfruit. J. Red. K. K for kitten. K for also king. K. Blue. L. L for lion. L for also lotus. L. Pink. M. M for mango. M for also mouse. M. Sky blue. N. N for nuts. N for also noodles. N. Yellow. O. O for ostrich. O for also oval. O. Purple. P. P for penguin. P for also piano. P. Brown. Q. Q for queen. Q for also quarter. Q. Orange. R. R for rhinoceros. R for also radish. R. Now say with me kids. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. Bye bye kids. Keep learning and also subscribe to my channel.